ganun karami. Compare mo to JRU's, I think 20 or 21 attempts.
Oh, that's great D. By Aviles, 2-on-2 break. Ato Barba, dire-diretso. Si Ato Barba.
Ito yung pace na gusto ng LPU. Yung fast break points na yan, dyan sila sobrang consistent pati sa turnover points.
First basket, by the way, for Ato Barba. Talingayan, kinukulit sa Peñaverde. He completes the steal. Extra pass to Paulo. Count it. And foul for Dave Paulo.
May flex pa.
Meron pa?
Oo. Naramdaman niya yun kasi nakuha niya yung contact. Tapos na-finish niya ng maganda.
But how about the defense? They started it all. Talingayan completing the steal and making the right decision. Dave Paulo doing his job on the receiving end. And he'll take a continuation.
Ang tawag nila dyan, magic bunot.
Magic niya.
Kanina, trailing ang LPU ng 5. Pero simula pumasok siya, merong mga magagandang nangyayari.
Steal and the score, and LPU has the lead for the first time. What a rampage by the Pirates in the second. They've outscored JRU 23-17. Dito po sa ating second quarter. Dito, backcourt pressure. Again, they did not start this way. Ngayon lang sila po may pressure dito.